explorers! I'm Gibree. Welcome to Gibree's Farm Adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing farm animals and hear the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a cow. Let's listen to the sound it makes. She's saying I'm ready for my close-up. Wow, you look fabulous. Now, let's spell cow together. C-O-W. Cow. Once again, repeat after me. C-O-W. Cow. Great job, little explorers. Let's move on to our next animal. Here are some sheep. Let's hear what they sound like. They're saying who's ready for a woolly hug. I could use a fluffy hug. Now, spell it with me. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Now it's your turn. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Fantastic. Let's see who's next. Look at these pigs. Let's hear their sound. They're saying join us in the mud. Well, I just got these overalls clean. Now, let's spell it. P-I-G. Pig. Repeat after me. P-I-G. Pig. Awesome. Let's meet the next animal. These are chickens. Let's listen to them. They're saying we're the cluckiest around. Now, spell it with me. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Your turn. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Great job! On to the next animal. Here are some ducks. Let's hear their sound. They're saying who's up for a swim. You go ahead, I'll watch. Now, spell it. D-U-C-K. Duck. Repeat. D-U-C-K. Duck. Wonderful. Let's meet another animal. This is a horse. Let's listen to it. He's saying who's up for a gallop. You lead, I'll follow. Now, spell it. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Your turn. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Fantastic job! Let's see who's next. These are goats. Let's hear their sound. They're saying who's got the snacks? I think I saw some in the barn. Now, spell it. G O A T. Goat. Repeat again. G O A T. Goat. Awesome work! Let's meet another animal. This is a rooster. Let's listen. He's saying, "Wake up, everyone! You already woke me up." Now, spell it. R O O S T E R. Rooster. Your turn. R O O S T E R. Rooster. Great job! Let's see who's next. Here are turkeys. Let's hear their sound. They're saying, "Who's ready for a feast?" I'll bring the mashed potatoes. Now, spell it. T U R K E Y. Turkey. Repeat again. T U R K E Y. Turkey. Fantastic! Let's meet another animal. This is a donkey. Let's listen. He's saying, "Who's ready for an adventure?" I'm always up for an adventure. Now, spell it. D O N K E Y. Donkey. Your turn. D O N K E Y. Donkey. Awesome work! Let's see who's next. These are geese. When there is one, it's goose. Let's hear their sound. They're saying, "Who's ready for a honking good time?" Honk honk. To you too. Now, spell it. G O O S E. Goose. Repeat once again. G O O S E. Goose. Wonderful! Explorers, let's meet another animal. This is a cat. Let's listen. She's saying, "Who's ready for a nap?" I'm always ready for a nap. Now, spell it. C A T. Cat. Your turn. C A T. Cat. Great job, kitties. Let's see who's next. This is a dog. Let's listen. He's saying, "Who's up for a game of fetch?" I'll get the ball. Now, spell it. D O G G, dog. Repeat. D, O, G, dog. Awesome work! Let's meet another animal. These are rabbits. Let's listen. They're saying, who's got the carrots? I see them in your paws. Now, spell it. R, A, B, B, I, T. Rabbit. Your turn. R, A, B, B, I, T. Rabbit. Fantastic cuties! Let's see who's next. Here are frogs. Let's listen. This little one is saying it's going to rain tonight. Well, I better grab my umbrella. Now, spell it. F, R, O, G. Frog. Repeat again, kids. F, R, O, G. Frog. Great job, everyone! You've done fantastic today. Wow, we met so many wonderful animals today and heard all their amazing sounds. Thanks for joining me on this farm adventure. Remember, you can come back anytime to practice spelling their names. Until next time, happy exploring! Bye-bye! Hey! If you enjoyed our adventure today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to hit the bell button so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Bye!